Ikaw na lang.
Sige.
Pakita naman kayo sa ano.
Ano yun?
May answer. Anong kanta yung sa'yo?
Kitchen. Kitchen nila.
Baka sinusulit ang yan.
Medley. Tapos kay Denzel, Medley. Ay, ano, cool off.
Kami sa'yo, babe?
Cool off.
Cool off.
Masabay ako sa cool off. Siya rin.
Cool off yung nagawa ng cool off.
Ah.
Kasi dalawa yung isa yung malungkot na cool off.
Ah!
Wow!
Sugsamin kayo!
Wala!
Wala!
Ayun sa'yo pa video eh.
Ayun na control ko, nandiyan naman eh. Okay na yun, dalawa.
I want you!
Just sounds like
Too young, too dumb to realize that I should have loved you better. I can love my flowers. I can hold my hand. I can take you to every party, so you wanted to do was that. Now my baby's dancing, but she's dancing with broken ko, no? Okay. Why cry my ego, my need in a selfish way? Cause a good, strong woman like you told her how I like. Now I never get to feel the best I made. Oh, I never feel my heart close my eyes. It all just sounds like too young to know, to realize that I should have bought you flowers. Hey! And held your hand. Should have been your own hours. When I had a chance, take you to every party, 'cause all you wanted to do was dance. Now my baby's dancing, but she's dancing without a man. Although it hurts, I'll be the first to say that I was wrong. Oh, I know how much too late. You try to apologize for my mistakes, but I just want you to know. I hope he buys you flowers. I hope he holds your hand. Give you all his money. Take it to everybody. 'Cause I remember how much you loved to dance. To do all the things I should have done when I was your man. To do all the things I should have done when I was your man. Si Ryan yung naging ano, voice over ah. 29!
Di ba pa sa ano? Best honor.
Mika na! Next, Mika!
Ano, nag-stop na naman? Ba yun?
Kailangan ko na magbura.
Kitchen na naman. Gusto mo din?
Sige, hati tayo.
Sinusulit.
Jen.
Karulan. Oo, sangay. Pasapasahan na lang. Makikisabay lang po. Mahina yung... hindi naka-on. Joyride. Hindi ko pala kailangan ng joyride ngayon. Hindi man ako
Saan ba yun, Ben? Ba't cool off? Ikaw yung cool off.
Ano ba sa'yo? Ay, hindi siya ganda.
Kitchen na daw. Kitchen na daw. It's just a little bit bigger now.
Ito ba yun? Hindi ko alam kung ito yun.
Mawalang tumitingin sa oras. Ano ba yun?
Meeting.
Matatapang na tong first year college. Walang tumitingin sa oras na.
Ito yun lang. Baka yun na yun. Yun na lang.
Tingnan natin.
Tingnan natin, kala mo mababalik niya.
Akala mo.
Ayan yun.
Ano na dyan? Tayo na lang tayo, babe. Wow! Hey! 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 Ikaw ba'y nalulungkot? Nababalot ba ng buhok? Maraming hinanapin sa mundo. Hindi na naman ang gagawin. Nagulong sa oras sa din. Akala mo iya'y may marating. Hoy! Kaibigan ko, pakinggan mo ang mga bulong sa'yo. Ito'y di galing sa mundo, patungo sa pangakong paraiso. Sa table, no? Hindi mo kalaya. Doon sa table 9, ha? Ay, malungkot na. Pwede na tayo. Ayan, ayan. Next na itong kami. It's hard dapat interpreted that. Self-denial. It's a game. There was you. Because the word of love is beyond what you pretend. And the more it clears, the more I have to let you go.
Yan na, yan na.
Kaya natin yun, Ben.
It's now I don't understand why feeling so bad now when I know it was my idea. I couldn't deny the truth and lie. But I'm not the only one standing on the same ground.
Okay. Anong next, Ben?
Ay, gusto
May
mo
gusto
pa
ka
ba?
bang sabihin? Also, Tagalog sabihin.
May
Gusto ka bang sabihin? Para di mo makalimutan, ay huwag mo na itong palipasin. Ano yung pinalakawita? Sa mga sinabi mo na ibang tunay ko mahal. Oh,
Mas mataas yung kay.
Ano, i-99 sa akin.
We are.
Tapusin na natin para sa ano. Joke lang.
Sarap.
Ay, okay lang.
For the Lord.
Oh,
Di ako. Fuckboy.
Ah, session lang! Wala mo na neta! Nasabay dyan!
Ayoko na munang makita ka. Ayoko na munang makasama ka. Gusto ko sanang mapag-isa.
Hindi, ikaw na.
Hinahiyata na tayo masaya. Hinahiyata kakayanin ka.
Hindi na ba?
Gusto ko munang mapag-isa.
Sige, G.
Siguro ito na nga. Intindihin mo na. Kailangan lang natin ang pahinga.
One, two, three,
Palayain ang isa't isa. Kung tayo talaga. Palayain ang isa't isa. Kung tayo talaga.
Meron pa na mag-isingin. Kaya nga, ang hirap pa na mag-concert.
Kamusta, kamusta?
Kamusta?
Come.
Ano minutes eh?
Para mga lasing ah. Walang walang inom pa to ah. Ay,
Ayoko.
Ayoko na munang
ayoko na
Ayun, pero ano yung muna?
Di na tayo magkasundo. Sumisikip na ang ating mundo. Time out muna tayo. Ito na nga. Intindihin mo na. Kailangan lang natin ang pahinga. One, two, three, Palayain ang isa't isa. Kung tayo talaga. Palayain ang isa't isa. Kung tayo talaga. Kung tayo talaga. Kung tayo talaga. Kung tayo talaga. Kung tayo talaga.
Nasa na ba?
Oh! Pinagpalit na sa ibo.
Ganun pala? Ano to, live? Ano ba tawag yan? Gagalaw ko yan. Oh, next. Ay, baba. What is budget win? Ay, sige! Eh, wala na. Swipe mo muna. Ay, wala na nga palang laman.
Ano,
Bullshit ang promo mo na to. Yan.
Nagpapawisan
Ilan?
ako.
Apat? Oo, apat ulit. At dito. Hindi na marunong.
Anong next sound?
3.
Ito lang
May
talaga.
200 pa.
Apat talaga minimum.
4 na! Uy,
Ano? May isa tayo sobra. Tandaan niya. Take one.
mamaya na.
Ay, bakit singi? Nagustuhan ko yung pagtap ah.
Yung mga bago kaya. Meron kayo?
Meron kayong bago?
Puro summer. Okay, emo tayo dito. Basang
Enchanted.
Wag na sa manok.
Baliwin!
Baliwin!
Baliwin. Ako ay nasa Malate.
Ano sabi niya
Pagdating ng
kanina?
gabi.
Ano sabi niya kanina?
Baliwi.
Pagkakarinig ko Banyo Queen.
Banyo Queen nga.
Kaya nga, Banyo Queen.
Ayun, basan dyan.
Kaya ano lang.
Dalawang si. May isang merok siguro yun. Baka.
Biri.
Mayroon pa din naman din.
How you doing, party people?
BBM.
This is Andy once again.
Hala!
I'm gonna do a song that you never heard before. Yo, and you know what? I know you know
You know what? You know
I'm doing that.
I'm doing this.
So if you all know this song,
You know what?
you know what?
You
better
better
sing
sing
it out. Alright. Hey,
1, 2, 3.
Ako'y nasa Malate, alas 7 ng gabi. Nakilala ko tuloy ang magandang babae na nakakakibigan. Sa isip na matapos, ang likod ng alam ay matuloko lang pala. Bumanat sa akin na, di mo yan, di mo doon. Hindi pa nakipon ang pagmamalata. Siya ay nagmayabang, nagnenenes at walang sagot sa alabang. Ako ay umakbay, mahigpit na mahigpit. Naglalaway sa bata niyang hapit na hapit. Makalinga, di ko siya matagpuan. Ubus sa aking man, hindi ko pa nahalikan. May tandaan, let's go! Oh yeah! At pinatay ang ilaw. O madalas lumalabas. Banyo Queen. Sa cafe Adriatico ako ay inaya. Inom daw kami at siya ang kaya. Kaya kang dalaway uminom ng beer. Inangat niya ang mug at ang sabi niya, cheers! Hindi ko na alam ay meron siyang inilagay. Ako'y biglang nahilo, nawala na aking malay nang ako'y magising. Aking napansin, pangalan ng motel, Anito Inn. Kaya ang sabi ko na po, ikispit na ako pag nabuo ng girlfriend ko. Mahirap ako, walang-wala sa isip ko ang kanyang maluwang. Nung nakita ko siya, naka-other lang. When the night has come, oh yeah, at pinatay ang ilaw. O madalas, lumalabas. Oh darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Lumalabas Banyo Queen.
Okay, tapos na research. Okay.
Ay nagtatawanan at doon sa sofa kami ay pinagalipungan ang inaw para umuwi. Pinatay niya ang kailangan yung sanang PCD. Doon sa kanyang kama kami ay nahiga. Ako ay nagulat at ako ay nabigla. Ako'y nakikinig, pawis na pawis. Tinusok ko, pinasok ko, and boy, para please! At ang sabi sa akin, and sige pa, lumuhod at lumabang. Matapos ka kami, ang sabi niya, shit, it's gonna happen tonight. Let's go. Oh yeah, at pinatay ang ilaw. Oh madalas, lumalabas Banyo Queen. Oh darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh madalas, lumalabas Banyo kasama dapat.
Pati ang pinsin niya! Well,
Oh, yeah.
Napaka-nibili ko kanta.
okay naman.
Grabe ka pa. Alam mo, ngayon ko.
Hoy, 90 oh! Woo! Ano naman yan? Pag malilibog, 90. Hello, malibog siguro yung rin ito.
Ano na?
Ano na?
Mga bago kaya. Walang bago dyan. Wala kasing ganunan eh.
Ayoko
That's
That's what I like.
That's what I like.
That's what I like. That's what I like.
Pagod yun ah.
Ayun, that's what I like.
Alam niyo ba yun? Hindi ko alam.
Ano ba? Yun?
Kaya Bruno Mars yun eh.
Alam ko siya kasaya ko sinunod eh. Aga, nagkakadagil na niya. Napadaan niya.
Ayun na.
Wala eh. Sana.
Let's go. Uy, hindi nakita yung ulo yung try mo po.
Ay, nga.
Baby girl, you ain't resting fire. So come and get it poppin'. We're party for a bed, party corner. Turn around and drop it for a bed. Drop it for me. I run to the beach house in Miami. Wake up and you wanna try it if you wanna. You wanna take my wallet if you want it now. Jump in it, kinda like girl, let's put some miles on it. Anything you want, just to put a smile on it. You deserve it, baby, you deserve it all. And I'm gonna give it to you. Gold jewelry shining so bright, strawberry champagne all night. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Sex by the fire at night. Silk shades and diamonds, all white. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. I'm talking true to Puerto Rico. Say the word and we go. You can be Africa. Girl, I'll be your Africa mom. I will never make a promise that I can't keep. A promise I just might never. Shopping sprees in Paris. Everything take for Paris. Now take a look in our mirror. Now tell me who's the fairest. Is it you? Is it me? Is it me? Is it you? Say us. Say it. I agree, baby. Jump in a Cadillac. Girl, let's put some miles on it. Everything is fine, baby. You got a smile on it. You deserve it, baby. You deserve it all. And I'm gonna give it to you. Gold jewelry shining so bright. Strawberry champagne, all nice. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Sex by the fire at night. Silk shades and diamonds. Lucky for you, that's what I like. This is a good time. But here I am, baby. Here I am, baby. Don't tell me you're done. Just say what's on your mind. What's on your mind? pawis ko.
Yung sa ano? Paramore.
Ano yun?
Meron pa rin eh.
I should be a butterfly.
Wala yung na. Simula po mag-rapsok ka na.
I'm...
Nauna pa sa ano?
Grabe yung pawis.
Kumakaway si Mia.
Diyan naka-payoff eh, sorry.
Nagkabalik ko nga.
Pogi naman.
Ayan na.
Nasa singay yan eh.
Anong tawag doon? Anong pangalan doon?
I'm into you.
Into you. Paramore na lang. Tingin tayo.
Still into you yun.
Ay, still.
As in... Huh?
Still nga, into you is still into you.
Still in. Ito.
I'm into you. Walang hinahanap. I'm into you.
Ay, mamaya pagkasabi ni Renzel, kayo naman dalawa.
Oo nga.
Okay lang, may taga sa'yo. Sino to? Si Jay?
Si Jay, oh.
Pogi.
Look at the years!
I need to hold you, make you feel better. It's not a walk in the park to love each other. But when everything's too love, can't deny you were it. Cause after all this time, I'm still into you. Hey, hey, hey. I should be on your own by my side. I'm into you. I'm into you. And baby, even our worst nights, I'm into you. I'm into you. Better wonder how we got this far. Cause I don't really need to wonder at all. Yeah, after all this time, I'm still into you. Sabay sila bumubo. It comes a night that I first met your mother. Woo! And I took her back to my house. Told you that I love you. You felt the weight in the world fall off your shoulder. And to you, till the sky forever. And after all this time, I'm still into you. May nagchat umuwi ka na sa on butterflies. I'm into you. And baby, even on first nights, I'm into you. I'm into you. Tell wonder how we got this far. Cause I don't really need to wonder at all. Yeah, after all this time, I'm still into you. Baby, that day goes by and I'm gone. And into you, should be everywhere butterflies. I'm into you. And baby, even at the worst times, I'm into you. I'm into you. Never wonder how we got this far. Cause I don't really need to wonder at all. Yeah, after all this time, I'm still into you. I'm still into you. I'm still into you.
Oy, umuwi ka natin. Sabi ni nanay mo nagchat ako.
Tawag ano yung cheesy namin yan?
Ay, hindi na lang.
Hindi na lang. Grabe yung best namin doon.
Kayo na dalawa mo. Hindi kayo. Papayin mo kami ni Renzel.
Mukhang ta.
Kaya ngayon naman kami naman mag-aalak.
Kubo.
Bahay kubo ang putik. Sinayang mo yung 35 sa bahay kubo.
Bakit na sa Japan?
Ha?
Ang lapat tayo.
Ano ba yung mga alam natin?
Alam mo, libre tubig dito.
Kaya nga.
Bakit sa lang naman ng papa?
Hey! Sinta parang tanyo ka ng bayan. Nagaya ng isip ng kabataan. Kami ay lumating na sa lahat sa yaman. Hanap ang tulong, ang iyong aral, ang layunin mong makatao. Pinataglay ng Pilipino ang iyong aral, diwa at ikang taglay.
Search mo na lang to the bone.
Malungkot yun eh.
Bakit? Gagawin
Maganda kasi yung ano.
Turete.
Wala na ako yung
Turete.
Ibilang with me.
You belong with me.
Ano
You
na?
belong with us. You belong with her.
Ibilang with me.
No. With me na nga lang, basic.
Oo nga sila makakanta. Ano ba? Kaya ba isa?
Ikaw ang labo, medyo ikaw.
Dapat hindi substance. She going up about something that she never. Ano daw yun?
Get your humor like I do.
Gusto ko dito I'm in the room with the typical Tuesday night. I listen to the kind of just tingin, di ba? Just tingin. Yes. Oh, yan. Tuesday night. Ay, dito ko nararamdaman. Oh, dito kami nandun ni Ryan. Dito sa kabila. Dito sa kabila ni. Post na nga. Ako din eh.
You're on the phone with your girlfriend. She's upset. She's showing up about something that she said. She'll never get your humor like I do. I'm in the room. It's a typical Tuesday night. Listen to the kind of music she doesn't like. She'll never know your story like I do. But she wears short skirts, I wear t-shirts. She wears something and I wear the features. Drinking but the day when you wake up and find the one
Ano na?
Midnight Memories. Ah, charot.
Ano yun? 86.
Ang ganda niya pala.
Ang fair?
Sabi ko pag kuya, pamila po.
Ano na? Last na. Last.
Minsan yun. Ilang oras na ba? 9:50. O, yan na lang. 10 minutes, bilis.
Wala mo.
Night. 2002. 241.
Ano? Susundo. Kaya pa naman yan. Hindi naman nag-exceed ng 3 minutes.
Zombie na lang.
Ayoko nun. Wala, di na nag-dinig.
Malungkot naman, hindi na ano.
Malungkot naman daw.
Kasi masyado yung time.
Kay Mayra.
Mayra, Mayra.
Ganun nga eh.
21.
12:51.
Wala kasing number eh.
Ako na
Wala, di na siya gumagana. Hindi na siya gumagana.
Love, hintay na.
Nasayang naman yung pera. Pwede po ba ibalik yan?
Ay na.
Sabi niya nagmamadali kasi. Kaya na tayo sulat 12:52.
Ayan.
12:51. Ito ba? Hindi yan eh. Ito.
O, sino ka pang ka?
Put your picture condom to the
Ano na daw?
Richard condom.
Meron pa isa oh. Sakto
Baka may isa.
Promo. Sige. Ayun na, okay na. Kaya pala pinipindot pa yun. Dami nang alam nito.
Tapos, akala ko ikaw ay akin.
Kala ko ikaw ay akin. Totoo sa aking paningin.
Uy, titira pa pa bukas ulit.
Wala ko na ulit ano, Jo. Papatigil na tayo kung iba na tayo sa baba. Kasi malungkot na tayo ngayon.
Relax ka pa.
Oo, kasi tatapos na yung ano na. Puso kayo dito.
Scrolling through my cell phone for the 10th time today. Reading the text that you sent me again. Your memories again erased. It was afternoon in December. There reminded you of the day when we bumped into each other. But you didn't say hi, you turned it away. And maybe that was the biggest mistake of my life. And maybe I haven't moved on since that night. 'Cause it's now 51, and I thought my feelings were gone. But I'm lying on my bed, thinking of you again. And the moon shines so bright, but I gotta dry these tears tonight. 'Cause you're moving on, and I'm not that strong to hold on any longer. Oh, 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 Then I saw you with her. Didn't you find another? And the world just seemed to crash. Shouldn't have thought that this would last. And maybe that was the biggest